it now. Grand Canyon downhill climb. Let's go. So we're leaving Grand Canyon National Park to the east entrance. We just left, and now we're heading down the mountain towards Navajo land, and that's where we can fly the drone in a minute. Let's see, get some of those canyons. Whoa, use the gears, baby. The engine braking on this bike is superb. You don't gotta touch shit. You never gotta touch the brakes. Just good and bad. Whoa, let's see. Declining, baby. We're heading down the suck right now. Ride that line. Whoa, look at that extra shifting. Hug it. Hug that line, baby. Ride it. Riding it. Let's go. Whoa, it keeps giving. It's a giving tree. We're in it now. Jeez, gorgeous day. What is it? Mid-July? 65. Whoa, I'm shifting now. Your boy is shifting like a god, like a Greek god. 65. What a good road. Engage thrusters! I wonder if there's police around here, hiding in the bushes. I wanted to rip it, but I feel like I can sense them. My spidey senses are tingling.